action. Woo! So this is Susan, my name is Jim. We are ABL. This is week 1 of the beginner bronze Bolero. Okay, so we talked about the basic lowering action. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're making sure that our foot is starting out a little. We're going to bend the knee, and that's going to send that foot out. We're going to lower the heel, and then we're going to send the body weight over the foot, then we're going to rise. From there I step back, place my heel down, I place my center over that right foot, she places it over her left, and then I lower and send. That foot's on it, is it? Oh it is, there it is. And now I'm sending my body weight forward to the side, coming across and back. So do that again. So we have slow, quick, slow, then we rise, quick, slow, quick, slow. Okay, and then we did a turn, so I want you to have this as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to lower, putting the weight down, and as I come across, I'm going to start my rotation. As I start to rise up, I'm going to turn and then rise up. So we'll do that again. So we have slow, start to rotate. As I do that, I'm bringing the foot in. Now I take the step back, and then I rise. Awesome. Yay! Good job.
Thank you.